Adelco was founded in 1934. It is one of the oldest manufacturers of pharmaceuticals and cosmetics in Greece. Through the years, Adelco had many innovative pharmaceutical activities and products. SAP Business One plays a key role on providing the basic information that we need in regards to compliance, in regards to quality, in regards of monitoring manufacturing processes, in regards of improving our costs, of improving our time lag in production procedures. Alexander Moore has the experience to install, to customize, to adjust SAP Business One to our procedures and our needs. So we had a saving in costs like 2 or 3%. We have a much better monitoring of our forecasting, of our production planning, and of our data management in sales and quality in relation to the time lag that we would have before. Adelco's growth and expansion plans, not only in Greece but also in European Union and overseas, is based on providing high-quality medicines and excellent services. And part of our procedures and way of improving our capabilities is based on SAP Business One.